Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is your English teacher Bianca. We're going to talk about 5 common mistakes in English. Some common mistakes we may make about tenses. This is going to be our first video. Let's get started. Look at this sentence. She is like food. What's wrong here? Let's think about it. We should say she likes food. But why? Because we use present simple. She likes food. He likes food. I like food. For habits or facts, we do not use present continuous for habits or facts. Mistake number 2. I have seen that movie last week. I have seen that movie last week. This is wrong. Well, I saw it last week. This is correct. But why? Because we use simple past with some time expressions like last week, last month, yesterday. Now, number 3. I will go to the party tonight. I will go to the party tonight. What's wrong here? Of course, I should say I'm going to the party tonight, because we do not use will for fixed plans. Yes, we use be going to for plans and will for spontaneous decisions. Mistake number 4. When she called, I cooked dinner. This is wrong. You should say, when she called, I was cooking dinner. So you were doing something in the middle of something, she called. We use past continuous for interrupted actions. While I was doing something, suddenly another action interrupted that, right? And mistake number 5. Did you ever visit Paris? Have you ever visited Paris? Have you ever done something? We use ever with present perfect, not simple past. I hope you enjoy our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. And I will see you in the second part of our common mistakes in English.